everyone, myself Dr. Priya, working as quality admin in the Aureus Hospital. On June 10, 2021, we are going to complete a 3 years of journey delivering the quality healthcare services to the patients of Nagpur as well as the larger part of central India. In this short span of time with the inception, our unit has achieved a lot more things with the involvement of each and every person of the organization. As we reach the milestone today, let us hear what our consultants as well as staff has to say about the organization.
Over last 3 years, Aureus Institute of Medical Sciences has provided OPD services to more than 24,000 patients. Apart from this, more than 5,000 patients got benefited from our free camps conducted in and around Nagpur. We were the first hospital to provide COVID OPD services adhering to all infection control practices. More than 5,000 patients suffering from COVID benefited from our services.
The critical care unit at Aureus Hospital is a tertiary level unit having all high-end gadgets, CRRT, ECMO with all high-end ventilators. During this pandemic of COVID-19, we have managed all seriously ill with complicated COVID-19 patients along with post-COVID complications like mucormycosis with very good outcome also along with that. We are the first one in Nagpur having negative pressure isolation unit to manage these COVID-19 patients with swine flu patients. I think in this COVID area, the critical care unit has played a significant role.
In the last 3 years, our OPD patients have increased by leaps and bounds. I attribute this to our fine diagnostic and prompt diagnostic services. At Aureus, we also provide daycare services. In daycare, we administer chemotherapy for leukemia, lymphoma and myeloma patients on regular basis.
सर्विसेज अच्छे हैं. हमारी 1 साल से ट्रीटमेंट चल रही है हॉस्पिटल में ललित राउत सर के पास. अच्छी सर्विस है, अच्छा हॉस्पिटल. हमारी 1 साल से ट्रीटमेंट चल रही है और हमारी हेल्थ भी अच्छी है.
Our hospital is spacious, oriented around prevention of hospital-acquired infections. Hospital-acquired infections make up to a huge toll for not only the hospital stay of the patient, but the cost burden which the patient gets because of the prolongation of the stay and use of higher antibiotics required for hospital-acquired infections. We ensure that there is good ventilation, good interbed space and overall movement of patients which was planned to keep these hospital-acquired infections at bay.
अभी तक का एक्सपीरियंस ये है कि यहाँ सारा स्टाफ बहुत हेल्पफुल है. मुझे अभी तक यहाँ कोई शिकायत नहीं है. मुझे 2 दिन हो गया, ऑपरेशन भी बहुत अच्छे से हो गया मेरा माइक्रोम्यूकस का. सारा स्टाफ बहुत हेल्प करता है.
All through the COVID-19 pandemic situation, we have given utmost priority to our patients as well as our employees. Over the last 3 years, we have strived really hard to assure the best quality medical care is delivered and all the quality norms are complied with. We recently got the much coveted NABH accreditation with Kayakalp accreditation for being clean hospital. The NABH accreditation is a testimony to the best practices we follow at Aureus.
Aureus का मैनेजमेंट काफ़ी प्रोफेशनल, मतलब सिस्टमेटिक है. हर चीज़ टाइम भी होती है और गाइडेड है काफ़ी अच्छी तरह. ओवरऑल ट्रीटमेंट काफ़ी अच्छी है और काफ़ी हेल्पफुल है. मतलब कोई भी रिक्वेस्ट करो कभी ना नहीं कहा गया मुझसे. नर्सिंग स्टाफ काफ़ी हेल्पफुल है और काफ़ी मैच्योर है, काफ़ी नॉलेजेबल है, experienced officer.
We at Aureus Institute of Medical Sciences are completing 3 years this June. During the last 3 years, we have conducted more than 3,000 surgeries of broad specialties as well as super specialties. During the COVID pandemic, we have conducted COVID surgeries which are mostly emergencies as well as now we are dealing with the mucormycosis patients. The OT complex has been constructed keeping in mind the concept of zoning and biocladding. We have got the minimum surgical site infection rates and maximum patient satisfaction rates.
As we are passing through COVID-19 pandemic for last 1 year, we have jotted down well-planned written protocols for training of our internal staff. Because of implementing these protocols, in-house infection rate in our staff was less than 5%. Talking about the patient rehabilitation, we have dedicated in-house physiotherapy team who are trained with their expertise. They guide patients, counsel them for the role of physiotherapy in their recovery process. According to the patient's condition, instruction sheet is provided them and regular follow-up is taken.
At Aureus, how we are different from others? We have got international medical gadgets and protocols for patient safety, which are strictly followed. We have got a negative pressure isolation ICU in which the chambers are strictly negative pressure and outside pressure is positive. So there is no chance of spread of infection from inside to outside. We continuously held continuous teaching program for nursing as well as attendants and class 4 workers for patient safety, which are always followed and regularly done. We give personalized attention to each and every patient. It may be clinical or non-clinical. And apart from this, overall which matters is we have treated patients at those who are not affording at very low cost or some patients even free of cost.
We have 24/7 emergency services, path lab, radiology, pharmacy services, and cath lab services. Our hospital staff is working 24/7 for 365 days to ensure patient safety and quality care. We assure you that you are in the safe hands and we are at the forefront to address all your concerns. We have high level of expertise through our highly qualified trained consultants. We have enjoyed great trust from our patients and their words of gratitude have kept us going. We have done infrastructure changes as per requirement to avoid hospital-acquired infections and implemented all guidelines of government. We have dedicated trained team in every department and we have used separate equipment for COVID-19 patients. Thank you.
It has been 3 years and still the journey continues. We're thankful for all the patients who are trusting us, and even we thank for the all Aureus team who had been dedicated efforts for all this while. We promise to keep quality and comprehensive healthcare services in future also. We assure that you are in a safe hands.